Hi, I'm Marc Rose, welding faculty at Linn Benton Community College, and this is Coastal 101. Today we're going to cover the basics of shielded metal arc welding, safety, and welder components. Shielded metal arc welding equipment comes in lots of different shapes and sizes, but they all share some similar components. They all need primary power supply. This can be 110 volt up to 460 volt and larger, single phase and three phase. They should all come electrode holder. Work clamp attaches to the workpiece, what you're welding on. They're all going to have a means of adjusting the amperage. This machine, for instance, you adjust the amperage level by cranking this wheel. And then on this particular machine down below, as you turn that wheel, it's going to indicate at the appropriate amperage you're at. This particular machine is a 250 amp machine. You can get them up as high as 600 to 1,000 amps and down to as low as 100. Some, but not all, are capable of switching between AC and DC. Not all machines come like this. Some are just AC, and they're commonly referred to as a buzz box. And of course, on-off switch. So before you strike that first arc, make sure you have the proper personal protective equipment. That can include safety glasses, earplugs, substantial leather gloves, welding hood, long sleeves, long pants, and boots. Shielded metal arc welding is commonly referred to as stick welding because of these. These are consumable welding electrodes. The two most common type you'll probably use are 6011 and 7018 out on the farm and the ranch. You can use these in all position on carbon steel, and in a few minutes we'll show you how that's done. So coming up with the help of Joaquin and Alex, a couple students in our second year program at Linn Benton Community College, we're going to demonstrate flat welding and vertical welding using 7018 and the importance of getting comfortable, PPE, and being in a good position. Alex is up first, and she's going to demonstrate stick welding in the flat position. She has all her proper PPE on, gloves, glasses, welding hood, sleeves. You'll notice her electrode is going to be 45 degrees to the work pieces. Her travel angle is going to be about 10 degrees. Before she strikes her arc, she's going to make sure that she can make it from point A to point B. And then once she is ready, the welder is on, she'll strike her arc. Joaquin's going to demonstrate a vertical weld on a T-joint. His electrode position in regards to the work pieces is going to be 45 degrees. His travel position of electrode is going to be about 5 to 10 degrees pointing up. Again, Joaquin should make a dry run, make sure that he can get from point A to point B with his electrode. Once he's ready to go, all PPE is on, welder's on, then he'll strike his arc. Thanks for joining us today on Coastal 101, and remember Coastal for all your welding equipment and PPE needs.